Agriculture, the foundation of civilization, is undergoing its most radical transformation yet. From the days of wooden plows to industrial tractors, farming has always evolved. But today the next great leap isn't mechanical, it's digital. Artificial intelligence is now the new farmer in the field, analyzing, predicting, and optimizing every step of the food chain. What once depended on human intuition and weather luck is now guided by algorithms, sensors, and drones. This is Farming 2.0, powered by AI. Smarter forecasts. Smarter farming. Farmers once watched the sky to predict rain. Now they watch AI dashboards. Machine learning models analyze massive datasets like satellite images, soil humidity, and past climate patterns to forecast local weather with pinpoint accuracy. That means knowing exactly when to plant, irrigate, and harvest. AI even warns of droughts or sudden frost before they happen, helping farmers save crops and water. In a world of climate uncertainty, AI is turning unpredictability into precision, predicting the harvest before it happens. AI doesn't just watch the weather, it predicts the harvest. Using drone footage, soil health data, and growth models, AI systems forecast yields weeks before harvest. This helps farmers adjust fertilizer levels, irrigation, and logistics before problems occur. Governments and food companies use this same data to stabilize food supply chains, prevent shortages, and plan ahead. In short, AI is feeding the world with data before it feeds it with crops. Smart machines and farming robots. Forget the old image of a farmer driving a dusty tractor. Today's farms run on autonomous tractors, AI-powered harvesters, and robotic weed removers. These machines can identify weeds, apply fertilizer precisely where it's needed, and even harvest delicate fruits without damage. Every move is guided by computer vision and deep learning. As labor shortages rise, AI-driven automation ensures farms keep running cheaper, faster, and more sustainably than ever before. Fighting pests the smart way. AI isn't just growing food, it's protecting it. With image recognition and predictive analytics, drones can spot early signs of pest infestations or leaf disease long before the human eye can. Instead of spraying entire fields, AI systems tell farmers exactly where to apply treatment. That means fewer chemicals, healthier soil, and less damage to the environment. This is called precision agriculture, doing more with less. Drones. The eyes of modern farming. From the sky, AI-powered drones scan acres in minutes. They map fields, detect dry spots, track crop health, and even plant seeds or pollinate flowers in areas where bees have vanished. With this technology, farmers no longer rely on guesswork, they rely on real-time data. And every flight means smarter, more sustainable decisions. AI platforms. The brain behind the fields. All this data, from tractors, drones, and sensors, feeds into AI platforms that act as the brain of modern farms. These platforms analyze everything from soil pH to machinery efficiency, turning thousands of data points into clear, actionable insights. A farmer can now check a dashboard and know exactly when to irrigate, fertilize, or rotate crops. This isn't just innovation, it's intelligence made practical. Sustainability meets technology. AI in agriculture isn't just about bigger yields, it's about sustainable survival. By cutting water waste, reducing pesticides, and conserving soil nutrients, AI helps farmers grow more food with fewer resources. It's not just saving money, it's saving the planet. The future, fully autonomous farms. The next chapter in agriculture could be a farm that runs almost entirely on AI. Imagine sensors that talk to crops, tractors that self-navigate, and drones that respond instantly to weather changes. This isn't science fiction. It's already being tested. AI combined with technologies like IoT and blockchain could make farming fully self-regulating, ensuring global food security for generations. Final thoughts. Artificial intelligence has moved from data centers to dirt roads, transforming the world's oldest profession into the world's smartest industry. From weather prediction to crop protection, from robots to data-driven decision-making, AI is not just changing farming. It's redefining how humanity feeds itself. What do you think? Can AI truly solve the world's food crisis? If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow and keeps us bringing you more stories about technology shaping our future.